Alright, let's talk about the array of double pairs. So you are given an integer array of even length, and you have to return true if it is possible to reorder the array such that this. So this is going to be pretty simple to understand the question, but it's not going to be easy to code, right? So if you have 1, so which means you want to match with 2 in the array. So just for this example, 3 and 6 is okay, right? 3 equal to what? 2 times 3. So this is the pairs, but you don't have the pairs for 1 and 3, right? So you will return false. All right. So move on to the next one. And definitely, like 1, 2, and 2, 6. This doesn't work, right? These are what? These are pairs, but these are not, right? And for this one, the negative value in example 3. So for -2, +2, and -4, right? So these two are these two is the pairs, and these two is the pairs, right? So I'm going to just use the priority queue, and I'm going to sort the integer array based on the priority queue, but I need to change uh, the function in the priority queue. I'm going to use absolute comparison when I add into the PQ, right? So -2 will become +2, and then -4 become what? +4, right? So when I pull out the priority queue, so I'm going to say 2, 2 for -4. So this is the priority queue that I add in. So this is the order. So when I pull out the number out of PQ, right? Then I will have to find out, like, do I have the -4 in my PQ? So it's going to be what? -2 times 2, right? And even though the order does not match in the priority queue, right? So you have to just traverse, right? But you don't traverse like this. You traverse log n, right? Because priority queue is a pretty uh, easy way to sort it. So you can actually use the log n method to traverse the number in the priority queue. And this is going to take like log of like how many times? K times, right? So I'm not going to write too much, but this is a priority queue solution. So I'm say priority queue pass an integer, right? And then what? I'm say PQ equal to what? New priority queue, right? And then I would say, okay, I need what? I need A and B for comparison, right? So math, I'm going to say this is return math absolute what? Smallest to greatest, right? So minus math absolute B, right? And then I need to traverse in array, just a PQ to add, right? Now I need to traverse the PQ right now. So while PQ is not empty, right? Everything is going to be what? Return true if PQ is empty. And I'm going to say non equal to PQ dot pull. So I pulled out the PQ out, right? So again, sorry, give me one more second. So I'm going to say what? -2, 2, what? 4, -4, something like this, right? The order is like this, right? So I will pull out -2, right? So I'm going to check, does -2 times 2 inside my PQ, which is this, right? So if PQ dot remove what? Num times 2, if does not, so this is the boolean, right? You return boolean. So if this is false, you will return what? You will return false, right? If PQ dot remove the number inside the priority queue, right? So this return true, then if statement is going to be return false, right? So you don't access the if statement. So this is how it is. So let me run the code, submit. All right, so I'm going to just briefly talk about time and space. So this is going to be what? This is going to be a time. This is going to be a time. This is going to be a time, and this is also a space. Space is all of n and represent length of the array. And the time, this is going to be what? N log n, right? You sort the array. So this is all of n, and then for every single time you find out the num inside the priority queue. This is log n, so it's going to be n log n, right? So priority queue sorting method is n log n, and then space is all of n, and this is the solution. And I'll see you next time. Bye.